The Indonesian railway system includes more than 7,000 kilometers of railway across Indonesia, including more than 4,800 kilometers of rail across the island of Java. And over the past several years, Kereta Api Indonesia has continued to improve its train cars in hopes of inspiring more tourist train travel across Indonesia. Come along with Ronnie and I as we ride in executive class on the KAI Joglosemarkerto train from Yogyakarta to Semarang's Tawang Station. We're Ronnie and Jeremy, and we're digital nomads traveling to every country in the world. We've been on the rails and in the air for the past 3 years, bringing you our unbiased reviews on travel destinations across the globe. After spending most of 2023 in South America, we're always looking forward to more adventures on every continent. And, as always, we hope you'll come along with us for the ride, because you don't have to be a Kentuckian to travel with us, you just gotta have fun. Salamat sore, YouTube fam, and welcome back to the channel. Ronnie and I are ready to check out of our Marriott hotel here in Jogjakarta, Indonesia, because we have another train adventure scheduled for today. We're going to travel on another Indonesian train from Yogyakarta north to Semarang. And as always, if you want to ride on the rails with us, then come along with us. Let's go. Our travel adventure day begins here at the 5-star Marriott Hotel in the special region of Yogyakarta, Indonesia. This Marriott Hotel will cost you about $150 if you're booking it with cash. However, if you are booking with Marriott Bonvoy points, you can steal a room for as few as 17,000 Marriott Bonvoy points per night. And as per usual for Ronnie and I on any travel day, as soon as we checked out of our Marriott hotel, we hired a Grab taxi ride to take us over to Yogyakarta Station. The ride to the train station only took a few minutes. However, they were doing some construction on the iconic train station front at Jogjakarta Station, so Ronnie and I had to use the side entrance to gain access to the departures hall. And welcome back to Yogyakarta Station, which was originally opened as Jogjakarta Station in July of 1887. This Art Deco train station has 7 platforms and 9 lanes and is a key train station on the Central Java and Southern Java routes. And another highlight of Yogyakarta Station is the Anggrek Luxury Lounge, which has plenty of seating in an air-conditioned space directly beside the train platforms. In addition to the several types of seating in the Anggrek Lounge, there is also a full-service buffet, private restrooms, and private prayer rooms. This is one of the best luxury lounges operated by Kereta Api Indonesia. However, if travelers are leaving on an early morning train departure, the lounge will not be open until 7 o'clock. Entrance to the Anggrek Lounge is included with your luxury train tickets and priority and imperial train tickets. However, if you want to purchase entry into the Anggrek Lounge, the cost will be $4 per person, or about 65,000 Indonesian rupiah per person. But after our short stay in the Anggrek Luxury Lounge, it was time for Ronnie and I to head to our platform to watch our Joglosemarkerto train roll into the station. And as we head toward our executive class cabin, we should inform our viewers that if you are thinking about taking an executive class train ride on the Joglosemarkerto train from Yogyakarta to Semarang, the cost will be about $12 per person, or 180,000 Indonesian rupiah per person. And welcome on board the Joglosemarkerto Executive Class train car, which has 50 recline and swivel seats in a 2-2 configuration. This is the older generation for the Kereta Api Indonesia Executive Class train cars. However, these seats in the Executive Class train car are cozy and comfortable with a decent recline, footrests, and individual power outlets. In addition, our executive class seats on the Joglosemarkerto train were clean and well maintained and included built-in tray tables at the seats. And as we leave Yogyakarta Station in Jogjakarta, Indonesia, we would like to invite all of our viewers to do us a solid and hit that thumbs up like button and subscribe to our channel. That is one of the best ways that you can support our channel and keep us on the rails and in the air. And for our viewers thinking of taking a ride on the Joglosemarkerto train from Yogyakarta to Semarang, the afternoon train takes about 3.5 hours to reach Semarang's Tawang station. And as we roll away from Yogyakarta Station, we would also like to remind our viewers to check out the referral links in the description of our video. We keep those referral links in the descriptions of all our videos, and they're guaranteed to help you travel better in the future. And for all the fans of Lou reviews, here is the executive class train lavatory on the Joglosemarkerto train. And this is perhaps the best executive class lavatory we have experienced on any KAI executive class train. And the Joglosemarkerto train also has the old generation economy class seats on this train if you don't want to splurge for the $12 executive class seats. And the Joglosemarkerto train also has a cafe dining car, which is always great. And although this cafe dining car was simple, it was also clean and well stocked. And one of the best things about traveling by train across the island of Java is that you will have the opportunity to check out many different train stations and many different train services across the island. And if that's not enough, you will also have hundreds of kilometers and miles of Indonesian scenery, including lots of countryside and small towns, which always gives a better overall perspective of Indonesian life away from large metropolitan cities. And with that in mind, we hope you will take a moment and sit back and relax and enjoy some of these vistas outside the train windows on the Joglosemarkerto train from Yogyakarta to Semarang. Meanwhile, back at our executive class train car, Ronnie took advantage of the cafe dining car on the Joglosemarkerto train and ordered her a nice cup of bakso for her light dinner as we rocked back and forth on the rails on our way to Semarang. And we should also note that although the food on the Kereta Api Indonesia trains is a bit inflated, the prices are also relatively reasonable, which cost about 30,000 Indonesian rupiah to about 50,000 Indonesia rupiah for every item on the menu. Bakso is always Ronnie's go-to menu item on the KAI trains, while I usually go for the nasi goreng ayam. We would also like to encourage our viewers to get up and walk around the trains when they're riding on the Kereta Api Indonesia trains across Indonesia. Often the best part of any train journey across the island of Java is the views outside the train windows. And fortunately for Ronnie and I, our executive class train car on the Joglosemarkerto train journey to Semarang was near the rear of the train. And luckily this provided unobstructed views of the railway and the Indonesian scenery during sunset hours on our journey to Semarang. So as you enjoy more vistas of the Indonesian countryside and sunset over the Javanese rice fields, we would like to remind you once again, hit that thumbs up, like button, and subscribe to our channel. That is the best way that you can support our work and keep us riding on the rails. And if you are a fan of train adventures, we will be sure to link some of our other Indonesian rail journeys here for your viewing pleasure. But as the sun faded away over the island of Java, our Joglosemarkerto train made its final approach into Semarang's Tawang station. And welcome back to Tawang Station, which has 3 platforms and 8 track lanes and was originally opened in July of 1914. And for all passengers arriving at Tawang Station, you can easily hire a Grab taxi ride just outside the arrivals hall at the Grab pickup shelter. And as we say goodbye from Semarang's Kota Lama, we would like to remind all of our viewers to do us a solid and hit that thumbs up like button and share this video with all your friends on all those social media channels. And if you enjoy world travel content and riding on the rails around the globe wherever we go, please subscribe to our channel and check that notification bell so you know when our new videos are uploaded every week. But remember, you don't have to be a Kentuckian to travel with us. You just gotta have fun. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep on keeping on. Cheers.